now have at least more or less a naive picture in my head. So it tries to simulate the Apex runtime locally with this Golang interpreter, and then when the execution hits the DML or SQL query, then it run against this local database, right? And especially when we run the tests, mainly the test is like setup, and then setup, especially in the database, some configurations, and then to assert if finally the record has the correct data in the database. That's typically how a test with the DMLs that happens. And now we can fully run it locally, right?
Right.
That's how it does.
Yeah. So when you get to a DML statement in the code, or you get to a SQL query in the code, then that gets
Hmm.
translated into the database um, query.
Wow. I mean, it sounds simple, right?
Conceptually, it is simple. In practice,
Yeah.
it's very complicated.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I just think about you use a Socket to simulate the Oracle database. I can't imagine like how many like edge cases you hit. You have to pull your hair out to really figure out the good ways.
Yeah,
So I
the
can't
good
really
news, like I
imagine.
said, I had some
Mhm,
early users who were providing feedback on running the code against their code bases. There are
mhm,
also a number of open source Apex repositories that I was able
mhm.
to use to test against, which helped me identify many of those edge cases that weren't handled early on.